If you're considering in-home chiropractic care in Castle Rock, it's completely normal to want to know exactly what the experience is like before booking. In this video, I'll walk you through what to expect from start to finish. I'm Dr. Lance Baumgard with Mobility Co Wellness. I provide mobile in-home chiropractic care and dry needling throughout Castle Rock and the surrounding South Denver communities. My goal is to make high-quality care convenient, personalized, and easy to fit into your day. When I arrive, I bring everything needed for the session, including a portable table and any treatment tools. We set up in a space that's comfortable for you, whether that's a living room, office, or another area in your home. A 6x8 space is ideal. The process is simple, efficient, and designed to feel relaxed rather than clinical. We begin with a conversation about what you're experiencing. This includes your symptoms, when they started, what makes them better or worse, and what you've tried so far. The goal is to clearly understand your situation before moving into treatment. From there, we move into a structured movement assessment. Instead of only focusing on where the pain is, I look at how your body is moving as a system. This includes how your joints move, how your body handles load, and where compensation patterns may be developing. This helps identify what's actually driving the issue and not just where you feel it. After the assessment, I walk you through what I'm seeing in clear, straightforward terms. We go over what's contributing to your symptoms and what the plan looks like moving forward. You'll always understand the reasoning behind the care. Treatment is tailored to what we find during the assessment, and this may include chiropractic adjustments to improve joint motion, soft tissue and fascial work to reduce tension, and dry needling when appropriate. The focus is on improving how your body moves and responds, not just temporarily reducing symptoms. After treatment, we reassess movement and symptoms to see how your body is responding. This helps guide the next steps and ensures we're moving in the right direction. Before we finish, I'll give you simple recommendations based on your situation. This may include movement strategies or small adjustments to your routine that support the work we did. The goal of in-home care is to make the process clear, effective, and convenient without adding stress to your day. If you're in Castle Rock and want to experience this type of care, you can check out availability on this page. And if you have any questions before booking, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help answer any questions and clarify anything that you may have concerns on.